all my L's and the lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm trying.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb.
And I'm Jazz.
Where Jazz at?
Right
she
here.
Left y'all again. She left y'all again, fam. But it's okay. I got a cousin whose birthday just passed, and he absolutely loves these Hennessy pound cakes. But the original recipe, he says it's just too strong for him. So we're gonna make a little minor substitution. We're gonna sub out the milk for the rum. But let's get to making this Hennessy infused pound cake. Normally, I tell you guys everything, but you know, gotta have some secrets. If I ever meet you in person, I'll share the recipe with you if I ever meet you in person. But until then, we've got our fixings here. We gotta mix in 5 eggs. Now you gotta make you a well in the center. You can use cake flour. Now you use cake flour, you're gonna use 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of cake flour. But outside of that, let's get to work. You got your well in the center. I missed my bowl. So guys, that's what that well's for, to catch it like that, so that everything kind of sit and wait until everybody ready to come to the party. Now, here is your medium part. You're gonna use 1/2 cup of Hennessy. Yes, Hennessy, 1/2 cup. Usually you take 1 swig for the chef, but I'm designated driver today, so I can't do that. And typically, it'll be 1/2 cup of rum. However, it's not gonna make it that strong. We're gonna use 1/2 cup of milk. Now this that good Alabama whiskey cake. I had to make this for a couple people. Man, really, y'all, I've been getting ready to make this cake for so long, but you got other things to do. Now, typically you cut with 3/4. You use 3/4 cups of butter. Now, usually you cut the butter into pieces or cubes. However, the texture comes out differently when it's softened at room temperature and cut in cubes. And my cousin likes to soften at room temperature, so I'm just letting you guys know that usually this will be cut at room temperature. These will be cold and cut into cubes, opposed to room temperature.
That liquor smells strong.
Yeah. See, I gotta make another one though to make the regular recipe for the folks, since cuz don't want the full strength. Now, after you mix your well, after you dropped everything in here, what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to mix this on low until evenly blended. All right, guys, that's about enough here because you're gonna mix it again, but we gotta scrape down the sides, and then after that we're gonna mix it and leave it on medium for 4 minutes. Then we can put this boy on in the oven. How are you guys doing today? I am doing wonderful. This cake, oh, this cake. Been waiting to make another one for a minute. It's so funny. I can't wait to make these, but I experiment so much I never know which one I want to play around with, because like 6 different people like it 6 different ways, all ones I created, so it's fun and amusing, man. And then I ain't even gonna get to try this one. This is my first time with this consistency. By my last time, I didn't even get to try these guys. Now we're gonna pop it on 4 and leave it for 4 minutes. Okay, see now I'm gonna put the mixer back on. Just had to get them sides. Cause you do not. The last thing that you want is to have cake batter chunks coming from the side when you're biting into a cake. So you gotta make sure you scrape them walls down, guys. Now that we got them walls down, guys, we're about to go ahead and let it do its thing. And while we do that, we're gonna be making the glaze for it. While that's going, actually nah, we're gonna wait to make the glaze till it's coming up out the oven. I don't like to waste no batters, y'all can tell. Hennessy ain't cheap. You think I want to waste some batter that got some Hennessy in it? Nope. Plus just the flavor. Anyway. About 4 minutes. It was 5:32, guys. So we're gonna pause y'all till we come back. Okay, everybody. So our time's up. We're gonna turn this off. Yeah. See, now is the tricky part. Well, not necessarily the tricky part. We're gonna fold these wonderful heath in. Get you a 10-ounce bag of heath. Fold them boys in. And man, flavor. Let me use this. I gotta get. Oh yeah. Thank you, honey. See, you using your brain today. I wouldn't. I'm finna go get the same thing I just been using. Save some dishes, but I'm already over there.
I saw the way you was looking.
Like, man, I'm missing something.
Yes, and you was gonna irritate me if you come from behind that table one more time. Yes.
Like you ain't cut.
Yes.
Good.
It's nuts in there? It's nuts in there?
You know, hey, it's toffee.
Huh?
Heath is toffee.
I'm interested to see what this cake tastes like, y'all.
You gonna have to ask Cuz, tell what you interested in what it tastes like. You know we ain't get a piece of the last one, so ain't no telling.
Oh yeah. How he get 2 cakes and you want to talk about me complaining about not having a peach cobbler going in the oven?
Babe,
But he got 2 cakes.
it's been a year. The last one he got was for his birthday a year ago.
No, it wasn't.
Okay. So we got that. We got our heath nice and folded in. Yeah, I see that. Ooh. The heath pieces are a good way to actually balance out the Hennessy. Now we folded them in. We've already greased the pan with our Crisco over yonder. See, that was a whole scoop right there. That was half piece cake, babe. This is gonna go in the oven on 350 degrees. And we're gonna have it in there for check it at 30 to 45, 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Ooh, boy. He looking, getting ready. This at 30 minutes, guys. This is what it looked like at 30. So we done took it out. Let's let it cool. Alright, everybody, so now we in the home stretch. Last little bit, I already showed you, gotta put that 1 tablespoon of water in there, microwave for a minute. and you get you 1 more tablespoon of Hennessy. That way, with this here glaze, you'll be able to have that flavoring of that Hennessy without it being cooked out. Then you're gonna add you some powdered sugar in a little bit at a time. The confection sugar thickens it up so that it's not watery. Now, of course, you're not gonna be able. Of course, you're not gonna be able to get all of the butterscotch chips melted, but the vast majority of do. There you have it, guys. Hennessy pound cake, complete with you a nice Hennessy glaze. With this cake, it is ideal. 12 hours a day late. So now that we've made it, we just gonna let it sit for 12 hours. Man, y'all know how.